here. My name is Sydney and I do motherhood and lifestyle videos. I have an almost 2-year-old son and a 4-month-old baby girl. Now today's video is going to be all about my laundry room. So I have to do laundry all the time. I usually do at least 1 load a day. So I was tired of looking at my laundry room that was looking so drab. So I ended up doing a makeover and I did it for super cheap. So if you guys are curious to see what all I did, then please continue to watch.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
You guys, I really like how this turned out. You can see some of the seams. I mean, that's just going to be part of it. But I'm going to have some shelves up here with decor, so that'll help to hide those seams. And right down here in the corner, we have an area for plug-ins, so that I had to wallpaper around. But I'd say that this turned out pretty good. So next, I'm just gonna have my husband finish building the shelves and then hang those up, and then I will go ahead and decorate those. Alright, so I had my husband put up just 2 shelves because I am going to be putting a large sign up here at the top. So I really like how these turned out. They're actually made out of old barn wood. I got the wood off of Facebook garage sales actually. So I am also going to be having a table made out of the same wood here in my dining area, so that'll be really nice. And I'm going to go ahead next and show you what all I'm putting on the shelves. Okay, so I got all of this from Walmart. I just got some plain white towels here. I wanted to add in some greenery, so I got that. I already had these 2 glass jars, but they are from Walmart. I found these 2 canisters, and I love that they have the black stands. So I'm gonna put Dreft in one, and then our 4th generation detergent in the other one. I wanted to find some bins that were closed so I can put stuff that doesn't show. I'm going to use those, and that comes in a pack of 3. And then here I'm going to store paper towels probably, but I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to go ahead and get to putting these on the shelves.
Not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I want to drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Alright guys, so this is what I'm working with right now. So with these, I can't fit the lids on top, so I don't know if I want to move those or leave it like that. But right now I have my 4th generation is the clear detergent, and then the draft is the yellowy one. And then in this middle part, I actually kept the caps to the bottles of detergent, so that way I can use those when I'm pouring the detergent. I put the plant there, and then I'm gonna fill this bin with more paper towels. Just need to pick some up. Up here I have some towels and dish rags, and these two I'm planning on putting clothespins and a powdered detergent with a scoop. I think that would look really nice. And then I currently don't have anything in this bin, so I have plenty of stuff that I can put in there. But that is what I have going on. So I feel like this is going to fit perfectly in my laundry room. It's really long and thin, so it'll go perfect at the very top.
And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
So one jar, I'm gonna put these fabric softener sheets in, and then the other jar I'm gonna put these little clothespins that I just ordered off Amazon. This pack of 24. So I'm gonna go ahead and load those in.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at.
Okay, so next I'm gonna take these scent boosters and put them in this glass jar. This was a Starbucks drink. I just peeled off the label and spray painted the top gold.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, next I'm gonna take my stain spray, and I found this old apple cider vinegar jar, and I already had this. So I peeled off the label for this, and I'm just going to put this on top. I thought this was awesome because I had a plastic one that went with this lid, which it still looked a little bit better than this, but I love the glass. The glass will go better with my theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spent my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Alright guys, it is officially finished. I have these really pretty French doors that lead into my laundry room, and we actually got these new washer and dryers. So this is Maytag, and they work so nice. Our other ones started to go out, so these ones are so nice, and I actually enjoy doing laundry now. Now this plant here is from TJ Maxx. I got that a while ago. And then here is part of the set. This little basket is part of a 3-piece set from Walmart. I just have extra washcloths in there. There is my stain spray. And like I said earlier, it's just an old apple cider vinegar bottle and a generic spray top. So that I thought looked so cute. Those were actually the toppers to these were actually the toppers to these dispensers, but they wouldn't fit, and because of the shelf, so I went ahead and just swapped them. So it works, and I think it still looks cute. And then this basket up here, I went ahead and put my scent boosters in there along with my lint rollers. But I didn't want those scent boosters to show because they were bright teal, like a blue, and I just felt like it didn't go with my theme. And like I mentioned earlier, this wallpaper is from Target, and it's really easy to just peel and stick, so you can also remove it really easily. So I really like how that turned out. And then this sign was from, I think it's called Smallwoods. I'll show you, I'll insert a little clip of the box that it came in. But this says Fluff and Fold, open 24 hours, and that's so true. I thought that was adorable, and it fits in here so nicely. Alright, so that wraps up my little laundry makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some tips of your own. If you did, please hit the like button, and then please subscribe so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.